Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset your Samsung TV to its factory settings. You can perform a factory reset if your TV is giving problems like apps not loading, picture freezing, black screen and Wi-Fi connectivity issue. In order to do this, press home from remote, navigate to menu, then go to settings, scroll down to all settings, scroll down to general and privacy. In general and privacy option, scroll down to reset. When you press OK, it will prompt for a PIN code. Give 4 times 0 if you haven't changed it. Press reset once more. Wait for some seconds till completion. There you go, your TV has been reset to its factory setting. If this method doesn't work or you have any query, ask in comment section. I will be happy to reply them. Like the video and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.